Good morning. Another travel day. Travel. We just dumped and got water here at this RV park. And now we're heading out. And I've been saying we've been going to Quartzsite. We're going to Quartzsite. No, we're not. At first, we're going to Yuma. We're just going to stay on the interstate and go to Yuma. And then go to Quartzsite. So when I say Quartzsite, I mean Arizona, Quartzsite, Lake Havasu, Parker, Yuma. That's what I mean. So anyway, we spend most of the time in Quartzsite, but we do little jogs to all those other places. So we have a 4-hour drive. It's 9 o'clock. It says we're going to get there at noon. What do you think? No. We always have to add about 2 hours, hour and a half to 2 hours to our trips. That's stopping, get gas, bathroom breaks, eating, blah, 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 all that. So don't believe Google. It says we'll get there at noon. I say probably 3-ish, something like that. I don't know. We'll see. Look how much gas and diesel is here. Almost $5 a gallon. Yeah. And we're, you know why? Because we're out in the middle of nowhere. See? The sign tells us we are. Well, this isn't a view you see ever, I don't think. Yeah. I'm exhausted. I'm tired. I'm in my, what I call my couch bed. I don't have a couch. Don't have a love seat. Don't have a recliner. Don't have anything like that in the truck camper. So I sit in my bed. I have one of these pillows that I lean up against my closet. Anyway, fast, furious, long day, rain, long hours. It's just, and I don't think I recorded anything except the good morning, what's going to happen today. We did make it to Yuma, so we're here. We went in and paid and got something to eat, brought it to our rigs, and called it a night. It's like couch bed means quiet. Yeah. Road noise, just all day, yesterday. I mean, it's a lot. We made it here in 3 travel days and long hours. And I'm old. Getting too old for that. Need to cut down the hours to the travel. I do good like 2 hours and then call it a day. But I had to push it to get here. More about all that later. I guess this is just to close out today's video that y'all saw nothing of. Except leaving the park this morning. The RV park. I think that was it. I don't think I filmed anything else. But anyway, if I did, it'll be in there. And I will close out this video tomorrow when I get up. Yeah. Plan on probably, I've got some sausage thawed out, so probably make breakfast in the morning. Burritos or sausage, egg, and toast or something. I don't know. We'll see what happens in the morning. All right. See you in the morning. Good morning. Yeah, I'm fixing some sausage for sausage, egg, and cheese burritos this morning. Then I got to cook Sammy's food. So I'm going to be cooking this morning.